my name is Jonathan Bruce. I'm the Director of Customer Success here at Datasaur, and in today's video, we're going to briefly discuss how easy is it to connect a large language model to automatically label your dataset. You can upload any dataset in the form of a TXT, CSV, PDF. Here I've uploaded from a simple TXT file, a service agreement. I created my own label set to grab these entities from certain spans and clauses within my service agreement. So you can create any label set, you can upload any data set, but now I want to send my label set to a large language model to automatically label this data for me. Why? So that way I can save time and then just focus on the QA. So all I need to do is click on this little brain right here on the right-hand side, and then make sure LLM Assisted Labeling is chosen from this drop-down menu. I'll choose my provider, which in today's demonstration, I'm just going to use OpenAI. I have my API key there. I don't need to change anything from the user prompt. It will send this text. This is a variable for this text. This is a variable for my label set. So it's all ready to go. And if I want to choose or change any of the hyperparameters, I can change the top P temperature and also choose a specific model from OpenAI. Now, if I'm satisfied with all of these advanced settings, I can merely just hit Predict Labels. And it's easy as that. It may take 50 seconds, may take over a minute, it may even just take 10 seconds, depending on the complexity of your label set and of your data set. Once the large language model has applied the labels to your data set, there's a couple of ways where we can validate those labels. First is I can just visually look at the labels that it applied, and if I disagree with something, I can simply just hit backspace to get rid of that label. So for instance, obligation shouldn't be attributed to company or to contractor, so I can merely hit delete on my keyboard. You're also given a full list of everything that the model has applied to your dataset. So you can just simply click through here and reject or accept each of those labels. If you're finding that most of these labels are correct, you can either go accept all or reject all. One way to improve iteratively on your next go around using that same large language model is to use examples. Research has shown that by giving examples for specific labels, the large language model's output vastly improves. For example, if I see a theme that obligation is being misattributed to specific spans of text, then I could put some more specific concrete examples within my user prompt, so that way the model I'm choosing better knows how to deploy that label. But the point here is that it saves you time using large language models to automatically label your data, getting rid of the laborious task of manually labeling, and now giving you that same time you would have spent labeling to just QA and validate that model's output, which helps you build a quality model.